So I'm watching this show on Netflix. It's called The Circle or something.
We'll see.
I don't know what it's really about, but I guess everybody got to eliminate people. Some people are like catfishing. So I think the concept is you have to find out who's catfishing.
I feel like we have a really strong connection. I have no doubt that if she's an influencer, she would
fell
go
asleep on a
back to
couple
TV.
episodes, so I'm back watching it now.
What is he doing? First place, Emily.
I'm looking at this cookware set. It's cute, but it's $97. I don't know if I want to get it or not, though. Because I seen this pot over here. And this is $26, so I was like, should I just might as well get a whole set like that? I don't know. I'll think about it. I'm not gonna do a what they call it? I don't know what they call it, but I'm gonna think about it. I'm not gonna think about it. Calphalon expensive though. That's $169. But they work cool. Oh, I need a new can opener. Oh shit. I guess this one over here. So can opener. Safe cup.
Excuse us?
This is my basket so far. My goal is to not spend over $150, so I'm gonna find out soon. I think this is the one I had. I mean, it lasted me a long time, but it ended up not working, so maybe I should try a different one. But I feel like the stainless steel one is more durable than the plastic one. Alright. So I finally made it home from Walmart. I feel like I was in there for hours. I ended up getting some of this white bright because I feel like Clorox just don't be getting shit white like it's supposed to. Like, it said it gets all rust, yellowing, red clay, color bleeds. So maybe I can use this with bleach, I think. Put it in the refrigerator. And then I got some more of these plugs, but I end up getting a Downy set this time. 2 more plugs, some chips, another bottle of wine, and I got this pot that I showed y'all. It's so cute, I love it. Cause I have a copper pot, but I'm tired of using that copper pot. I want to use something else. I got this pot right here. It's a Dutch oven. Some chicken breasts, and then some Gatorade shit. We'll put that up already. But I'm tired. I feel like I was at Walmart, and then it's like the lines is taking forever. Walmart only had like 3 lanes open, so I don't know. I'm making some Alfredo, my go-to meal. So the food is done, and of course, I got me some wine. I like to use these, but it's not rough enough. I like my skin to feel like it's being scrubbed the fuck out. I'm sick of this mask. They don't really have that many good candles that I really like. I like this one. So I'm gonna try that one to see how it burns. If I like it, then I'll get some more. Alright. Okay, so yeah, today is April 26th, and I just left Marshall's. I just wanted to look around and get a few items just to get out the house. It's not like I was looking for anything specific, but I did need to return that humidifier, and guess the fuck what? I forgot to get it out the house. I forgot to return it. So I was looking at humidifiers in there, but I was like, no, I'm not about to buy one. I'm gonna wait till I get that one so I can just exchange it, basically. Because knowing me, I will not return it. I'll buy that one and then won't return it, and then a long time. It'll be a long time. Like, I bought that April 1st. Today's April 26th. But yeah, I'm just about to go get something to eat, then go back home and chill. Nothing else to freaking do. And that's it. I just wanted to come on camera to let y'all know that I'm still vlogging and still in the groove, even though some days have passed since I vlogged. But my head is about to start hurting, so. Okay, so I didn't show y'all what I got from Marshall, but I think y'all seen most of it while I was there. I got this candle. It's by Sand and Fog. It's goji berry. I like it. I like how it smells. It smells good. I got some more kitchen tongs because the other ones, they have like the plastic at the bottom and they're like getting old, so I just bought some more tongs. I bought this wall outlet thing because I need some more outlets by like my makeup vanity so I can plug up like my lights, flat iron and shit when I be doing my hair. I got this body brush because I like to exfoliate my skin. I mean, you know. Some more kitchen scissors. A new shower liner because, yeah, they get dirty and I like clean shower liners. And then I got some of these dermaplane razors. Hopefully they sharp enough because sometimes the razors don't be sharp, but you can like do your eyebrow and stuff with them. And then I had brought my son some Adidas shorts, but he don't like his shorts this long, so I'm gonna return these. I think they were seated in my purse. But yeah, that's what I got from Marshall's, and I'm about to make me a smoothie now because I'm freaking hungry. And I have no energy because I have not eaten. Well, I did eat earlier. What are you doing? No, you didn't talk to me like that, hoe. I got my NutriBullet that I rarely fucking use. Something is wrong with you. Alright, so I just got my strawberries. I'm gonna use this as like my milk base. It's a protein. Oh, it's dairy free, I think. Yeah, it should be dairy free because you can drink these on keto, and on keto you can't drink no dairy like regular milk. So this doesn't have milk in it. This shit could stick to my lip gloss. And then I have a banana. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the banana up.
What you gonna do with these? Don't what?
Yeah, I'm gonna save one. I'm gonna make my portfolio book, scrapbook.
Portfolio?
A memory book, nigga, down. Alright, so I'm about to put this together and
make them one too. I stay healthy.
I don't have no kale or no spinach to put in there. I really want that, but we just gonna have a strawberry banana smoothie to that.
Put mangoes in there.
No, I don't want mango. Oh, my hair look kind of cute. I need to start flat ironing it though. Is it cute?
I saw this hair already.
I didn't have the 2 pieces. And I didn't wear my hair like this yesterday.
What you did?
My hair was all down.
The other day. The day before that day.
But it had the 2 pieces. It's different. So the smoothie did come out good. I had mixed it and it was good, and then I added some more strawberries, and then I kind of fucked it up. It was like too many strawberries, but overall it's good. I'll make it again. I just gotta learn my measurements. Just like put like a handful of strawberries. Don't go overboard. But yeah, it came out good. Yeah, I noticed that I don't ever close on my videos, so I think I need to start doing it. I just be ending wherever the fuck I stop it. But this is going to be the end of this vlog. I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, like and comment, and I will see y'all in the next video.